Hey guys, Denny and Veronica here from RV Outlaws. Super excited because we just received our Aventon Adventure bikes. Arrived last week. Simple process to put them together.
Yeah, maybe about a half hour or less.
Did a video on that, so I'll show you the unboxing and how that went through. First off, impressions of the box itself coming in. Everything was packaged perfectly. There was extra packaging material involved. There was nothing, no dings, nothing. The toolkit was awesome.
Yep, and then you have a video if you need to, instructions in it as well.
Yeah, tutorial for video. They have an app for Android and iOS phones. Just from our experience in our last e-bikes, just a better package unit. Everything came standard out of the box. You're ready to go. So first glance, it's been great. We've only done a couple test rides so far, but
yesterday we did a nice one, so we have a little clip on that.
Right.
So, first impressions.
Yeah, we do have some first impressions on this bike because for one, it's aesthetically beautiful. Its color scheme, it just works. Everything works for me. But anything that you like particularly?
Love the LCD screen, the color scheme.
Yep. One thing I like, the details on this. Like if you notice their cabling, you come into there, they have just covers over things where the wires aren't exposed. Our last e-bikes, one of our problems was the wires just started getting shaved or frayed because they were just too much movement. So Aventon did a great job of sealing that up and going that part.
Yeah, and all the details and all improvements overall. Love the speed range, the mile range.
Yep, it does go faster. It does have a little more pep. We also have a huge battery in here. Gosh, I think they rate it for like 45 miles. I'm only going about 20 miles. So, but 45-mile range, which is great because that's a full day of traveling, and you definitely don't have to carry an extra battery in this thing. One thing I do like about that is the integrated battery. So it's got an integrated battery, which you don't see the battery any longer. Better than having the old bulky system where the battery laid on top.
Yeah, and it came with fenders, which was a nice detail.
Standard as well, which most companies won't even do it. They just send them out. And I know we've gotten dirty on our last e-bikes because we didn't have fenders. So really happy about those.
Yeah. Of course, the throttle. I use it a lot.
Push down throttle, which is super nice. Helpful on the hills because the terrain is always changing. So for us in our travels, game changer all the way around. And I like the brake light. You hit the brakes, you have a brake light. So an actual LED brake light comes on, which is kind of not common in this, mid-range price point for a fat tire e-bike. So
yeah, mainly we're super excited to take them on more adventures and really test out the shock systems. We did a little bit yesterday, but yeah, more to go.
But overall, first impressions, awesome bike. Hopefully, if you're interested, just jump on their website. We have a link below, I believe. And we have a cat. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, see you next time.